Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. This is Faryal Khan and today I am going to be opening a makeup gift box, which is a holiday gift box from XX Revolution. Look at this. This box is huge and it is so pretty. So this box retails for £60, but luckily I saved my money about 50% and I bought it on sale at Revolution Beauty website. So go check that out. Hopefully when I upload this video, this box is still on sale on 50% off. So I paid about £30 for this box. So just looking at the box, it feels really nice and it looks expensive, okay? It does not look cheap in any way. The box quality is really good. The design itself is really pretty. I really like it. It's just unicorn vibes, and you can see the logo of the XX Revolution, and the design on the corners and around the box is foiled. So this box came in this sleeve, which I removed before the video. It has got all the contents here. So what's in the box, you know here, okay? So just looking at the packaging, this thing feels luxurious, but I mean it's £60, so you won't expect anything less than that. So this is the box and that's how you open. So it is like a magnetic closure thing. So you open the box like this, and here are the contents of the box. So what I can see is, oh, then there is a so here is a drawer as well. That's such a pretty packaging actually. Look at that. So I am going to remove all the stuff one by one. I'm gonna show you on the camera and I am going to use them on my face. I have done my foundation already and my brows because this box does not have any foundation or brow product. So I have done that already. We'll see if this box worth buying or giving somebody as a gift. First thing I can see in the box is this beautiful lilac color eyeshadow palette, and this is velvet. Feels so good, and I have not seen the inside. Let's open it up. Oh wow, that's pretty. The palette has got mirror. I'm going to turn that at the back, and this has got like a plastic thing on the top. Let me remove that. The one thing I really don't like in the palettes when they have the names on this plastic. So this is the palette. Just looking at it, it looks so pretty and I can feel the vibe of the outside box. The color story really matches the color theme. They have these brushes in this. I am going to be using these eye brushes for the eyeshadows. I'm not going to be using my brushes because I really want to see the potential. I mean, just looking at them, the packaging again is so pretty. I actually love the XX Revolution packaging. If you have seen my other video using the XX Revolution eyeshadow palette, I really liked it, and the packaging was so bomb. So, and they feel soft as well. Actually, there is another palette. Let me show you that. That's how the palette looks like. The colors in this palette and the colors in the other palette are totally different. So you are not getting similar shades. Can you see that? The colors are very different. And at the back, it has got numbers actually, the shade numbers. Okay, so at the back it says this is pressed pigment palette. Okay, so I am going to start by using this lightest matte shade in this palette, and I'm using this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take this pink shade, sort of like a corally pink, and I'm using the same brush. That's pigmented. I'm just blending this shade into my crease. Now I am going to take the shade next to this one, and for this I'm going to switch my brush and I'm going to use this fluffy tapered brush, and I'm just putting this right into the crease. So this palette doesn't have much fallout, but the eyeshadows are performing very well. I am going to deepen up my eyes with this dark shade on the corner. So I'm going to take the same brush, tapered one, and just dip into that brown and deepen up the outer corner and the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take the other brush, the other fluffy brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade, this purpley pink, and blend this darker shade a bit. I'm gonna pick that other pinky coral shade and blend the edges. I am going to pick this pinky metallic shade next to this brown on my finger. So I'm just going to tap over my lid. So I have done my concealer and set my under eyes. So I have saved one brush for the under eye, which is like this flat brush. I am going to pick this eyeshadow. So I'm going to put that along my under eye and connect that to the top. Okay, now I'm going to take this brown on the same brush, of course, and I am going to go very close to the lash line. And now I'm going to take that dark cool tone brown we used on the top of our lid, take it to 1/3 of the outer corner. I really want to use this purple. Should we? Okay, so to use this I am going to use my pencil brush because it doesn't have any pencil brush. So let me wet this brush. For the inner corner, I am going to use my pencil brush, a very tiny one, because this set doesn't have any tiny brushes. And I'm going to take this very light shimmery shade. And I'm going to take the same shade on the same brush and put it into my brow highlight. Now I am going to put the mascara on and then I'll be back. So the next thing in the box I'm gonna grab are these gel liners. So there are 3 gel liners in this box. One liner is really dark black. The packaging again is really luxe. Feels good quality, like it's very heavy, it's not plasticky. Other color we have is this lilac. Is another one which is more of a blue green. It's kind of like aqua sort of color, minty, I can't tell. It's really pretty. All 3 colors are really pretty. So now I'm going to take this lilac liner and put it into the waterline. It is not scratchy, it's very creamy eyeliner. The next product they have in this box are these lip glosses. One is very orangey and the other one is quite pinky. I've lined my lips with a lip liner. This box does not have any lipstick or lip liner, so that's why I have done it already. Now I am going to use, I think I'm gonna use the pink one. Feels nice as well. It is not sticky at all. I do not like the sticky lip glosses. Now I'm going to open this drawer and see what we can get. I know there is a setting spray or face mist and a face palette, so let me open and then I'm going to show you. They have this makeup box in the drawer, but they also have this highlighter. Looks really pretty. I am not going to use this highlighter because they have a face palette which I really want to use. They also have this pocket mirror thing in the drawer. Here it is, the face palette. So the face palette has got the same packaging as the box, and here are the shades. Let me remove the plastic. So I'm gonna start with the bronzer. It has a bit of a sheen. It's a very pretty color. Now I'm going to take the blush. Okay, the blush is pretty, but I really wish they had a pinky blush, because pinky blush would have tied everything together very well. Now I'm going to take the highlighter brush and I'm going to use the highlighter from this palette. The middle one is the highlighter. Now I'm going to use this mist. This mist has got like glitter particles in it, so you need to like shake it a bit. Smells really nice. Alright guys, so the makeup is done. I have used as many products I could have on my face in this video. So let's talk about the content and quality and if it really worth spending your money. Let's start with the first eyeshadow palette we use. This is the big eyeshadow palette. As I said, it is really nice packaging, velvet finish, and the inside of the palette is pretty as well. All the colors are really pretty. They performed really well on my eyes as well. I mean, the eyes looks nice. This palette also looks nice. I have not used it because I am planning to give this away to somebody. I really like the lip glosses in this box. They feel really nice. They are not sticky and they are not gathering in the middle of your lips or in the wrinkles of the lips. I really like the color shade. The only drawback I would say that I would have preferred just one lip gloss and one should have been a liner or a lipstick. The next thing is these brushes. Okay, I mean, for a beginner purpose, these brushes are good. They are super duper soft, but I think they are too big. I mean, they are too big. I'm not gonna throw these brushes away. I'm definitely going to be using these brushes, but not for the detailed eye look, just for the quick eyeshadow, like take one eyeshadow and then like quickly blend it out and then put the shimmer on. So but for like detailed eyeshadow work, you need better brushes than these. They are too big liners. Okay, so I actually really like the eyeliner I used. That was lavender color. The color name is, oh actually the color name is lavender. The black one named is coal, and the minty greeny blue named is ocean. If you buy the gel eyeliners from XX Revolution, they cost about £5, and the lip glosses, I think if I'm not wrong, cost about between £6 to £8. So yeah, you can do your calculation. So when you open the drawer, the first thing you see is this makeup bag. It's a zipper bag, and when you open this up, it is quite big, as you can see, quite spacious. You can put your makeup in. It's a good size makeup bag, and it also has got a logo embossed here, XX Revolution. The next thing you see in the drawer is this face mist. I like the smell of this mist, really nice fragrance. The only thing I would say, it has got like glitter, so I can still see the glitter shining on my face. I thought it will be more satiny finish rather than glittery finish, so I think it will be really nice to use on the body. And if you are into glittery face sprays, then I think you will like this. So the next thing in the drawer is this highlighter. Okay, so the packaging is metallic, like silver, and The highlighter color is more of a rose gold. They've got a name at the back and it says XXCESS Luster. The highlighter is really pretty. And the next thing they have in this drawer is this pocket mirror. The mirror cover is faux leather and has got XX Revolution embossed at the front, and when you pull this tab there is the mirror, and then at the back of the mirror it has got XX embossed as well. The next thing I'm going to speak about is this face palette. The face palette is really nice. I think the color shades of this palette are good for fair to medium skin tone. I think it is going to be too dark for a light and pale skin tone, and it is going to be too light for a very dark skin tone. If you go on Revolution Beauty and check the price of the face palettes they have, the packaging of the face palettes are plastic and they have them for about like £18 if I'm not wrong. If you're planning to give this box to somebody who has just started doing makeup and they are a beginner, I think they are going to love it. And for £30, I think it's worth spending money. So don't forget to check Revolution Beauty website and Boots to see if they still have that offer, because I saw that box on Boots for £29 and on Revolution Beauty £30. See if you can grab this box in sale. And if you're planning to buy this box and if you have bought already, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!